And that's where we start with our, first of all, the knowledge-based one. So this is kind of a two-way process. So we already have an MDO, which we call as our help agent, which provides you the getting the information based on the MDO help center, where it helps you in defining what a business rule is, how you can define business rule, what is a data set, and the metadata definitions, and all of that coming into the picture. The second, the enhancement into this process we are bringing is that when the organization can upload their policy documents, their process documents, and these documents can be utilized when as a business user, I'm coming into the system. I want to create a new record, be it a material or an equipment, and suddenly I see an error coming in, which has been defined based on my policies, based on the organization's ways of working. But I need to understand what this error is. What are my valid values which based on this particular rule should be added to this particular record. And that's where the Kai knowledge base comes in. The organization or the admins can upload their different documents, spreadsheet, PDFs, which has all the end-to-end process flows, specific validations, or how their end-to-end journey works. And when the user is working on those and on creating of records, Kai basically reads these documents. So one is that MDO help center, which brings all the information regarding MDO, from configurational processes to end-to-end journey. And then over that, we have the company's standard documents or the process documents from an organization's perspective. Combine all of them together. It gives the power to the user to understand end-to-end journey, that why these particular validation are coming to me. What is the correct value for this specific type of rule? Why this policy was implemented. So based on that document, the system provides you the information that yes, you have uploaded this document. It belongs to a specific for vendor. This is the policy which we utilize, and based on this, your different type of errors are coming, and what is the correct value for fixing. So the system is not just giving you the errors; it's also helping you understand that why this error came based on your company's policies. Furthermore, helping you to providing you the information of what is the correct value based on this particular record or the context you are working on. So there's no conflicts or hidden processes that are happening in the background, and the user is not aware of it. So we are basically providing the information and helping the users also to understand their processes by themselves, instead of talking to their execs or talking to their admins and understanding why the rules have been implemented. Kai comes in for the users to answer these queries. So that's the knowledge-based process, which helps you in getting all the information regarding MDO, regarding your processes, ways of working.